Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe Braga with Engravers Choice, back talking about OMTech and OMTech support. We support both our CO2 models, both desktop and cabinet, and our fiber models, both our stand-ups and our desktops. We will have an elite line later on, so look for that. But these are extremely economical units that are fully QA'd here on the West Coast. We have a full support center and a full team that I have trained. I've been in the industry since 1990 and watched these lasers develop over the years. As I said, we both have CO2 and fiber source lasers. We up to 50 watts. On the CO2 side, we have up to 100 watts. And these units, we have a full part stock. So every part on the unit is stocked here on the West Coast. So you need a tube, even if it's not for an OMTech, it's for a Boss laser, it's for a Thunder, we have it. You need a power supply, you need a controller, we're fine. If it's an oddball thing, we can hunt it down. But everything we sell, we keep a full part stock on the West Coast for. And we do keep a full part stock of things that we know we're going to use a lot, like the Reese's tubes, etc. So we will do full installations and full training so that you know what we know, but we're not training you just to be an operator. We're training you to be your own technician. So we will ask you what you like to do, and we will make sure we make a sample of that, put it in the crate before we send it to you. Now, I am 949-355-4000, or call OMTech directly, or contact them on the internet under omtechlasers.com. One of the things I do like about this is that we have full quality assurance for something actually sold on Amazon. This is unheard of before, especially in this price range. If you need something bigger and badder, I do have it. If it's not OMTech, OMTech will help you find it. That's how good these people are with customer service. Again, 949-355-4000 or sales at Engravers Choice. Thank you so much.